What's up, guys? Back here to another video. Today you're going to see me riding my dirt bike down my road. It's the Honda CR85R, and I'm going to give the camera to Xander so he can show y'all. So this is a first or second kick bike. Hey, get in position to record me down the road. So you guys saw me going down. I don't want to ride too fast because I don't want to get the cops called, because you know what would happen. I'd get in big trouble. But I'm just going to let Xander get off the bike and walk around the bike while it's on so you guys can get a good view. And yeah, so there's Xander there. And he's just going to give you a walk around of the bike, even though you've seen the bike, but you haven't seen it on before. So it would just make sense for Xander to show everyone the bike when it's running. So I'm going to give this to you. So we're going to... I want the house. We're gonna go one more time, guys. Check if there's no cars. As you guys So as you guys saw, I went kind of fast, only in second gear. I don't go higher on this road. I've gone to third once down this road, but I felt like I was going way too fast. So I just didn't do that at all. So now we're just going to park it. I can't ride fast on this road, so that's why I have to be careful. Because the speed limit's only 25, and I think I was going well over 25, only in second. I don't want to get the cops called, because this isn't much of an... It's an HOA neighborhood, but, like, it's, like, down. Like, no one comes here to do anything. So, it's a very nice neighborhood. You only see cops down here literally, like, twice in a year. So it's a good neighborhood, and I don't believe that I'd get the cops called on me, so that's a good thing.
But we just want to be safe, and we don't want to get in trouble.
Yeah, we don't want to get in trouble riding fast down the road, so that's why we're not. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Ladies and gentlemen, be safe, don't be stupid, and ride respectfully.
Alright guys, see you in the next video.
Perfect, guys. As you guys can hear it purr.
I understand this is a dirt bike channel, but this is my Polaris 500 HO Sportsman. It needs some work. It can't idle. I'm pretty sure it's flooded in the carburetor, and it can't idle, so that's a problem. It hasn't been sitting for too long. I mean, like a year, but the gas has been off, so yeah. It's an automatic. It's really fast. It's really nice. I've ridden it before, so yeah. So there's the dirt bike back here. We got our mixed gas, so yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I understand this is a dirt bike channel, but this is my Polaris 500 HO Sportsman. It needs some work. It can't idle. I'm pretty sure it's flooded in the carburetor, and it can't idle, so that's a problem. Hey guys, Editor Me here, just editing the video, and I will see you guys in the next video, maybe tomorrow. Peace out.